this video, we cover the following topics. Tools are devices or implements which are designed to serve a particular purpose or make jobs easier to perform. There are many tools that can be used with watercolor. It's likely you have some of them already at home that could be useful for your watercolor toolkit. Have a look around after watching this video to see what you might have. Let's explore some common tools that are useful with watercolor. A hole punch creates small, consistent holes in paper for including a binder ring or attaching in a binder. An eyedropper or pipette allows you to move small, measured amounts of water without spilling. The bulb is squeezed when the tip is submerged to uptake water, and it's gently squeezed to release the desired amount of water. A natural sponge is ideal for stretching watercolor paper, creating textures, and lifting, but regular sponges work too. A kneaded eraser gently removes pencil marks without leaving behind debris. This type of eraser helps prevent damage to the paper when lightening lines. Pencil marks that aren't removed prior to painting may show through in a finished work because of watercolor's transparent qualities. An adhesive remover is a tool designed specifically to remove adhesives. It's ideal for removing masking fluid using a tool. Removing with your fingers isn't recommended because of the potential to transfer oils from the hands to the paper. A craft knife is useful to remove paper from a block, divide paper, or cut out detailed areas. A spray or spritz bottle is useful to hold water or alcohol for use in painting. A permanent marker is waterproof, making it an ideal addition to your kit for creating permanent line work and for testing the transparency of paints. A palette knife is ideal for removing paper from watercolor blocks. They're useful for applying paint and may be used for scratching or scraping techniques. A pencil makes light marks that are fairly easy to lift. However, dark lines created with a pencil may show through in a watercolor painting if lines are not lightened because of watercolor's natural tendency to be transparent. They can also be used in transferring techniques, which will be covered in a later video. A hairdryer or heat gun can be helpful in alleviating drying impatience and help prevent unwanted effects caused by paintings not being dry. They are also useful when removing adhesives through application of gentle heat. A ruler is an essential tool for accurately marking intervals and measuring increments of space. See the video on additional optional tools. Elevate your watercolor practice with comprehensive watercolor and interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. It offers clear instructions, hands-on exercises, a free product guide, and over 200 instructional videos. This book makes it easier than ever to learn, practice, and master the art of watercolor painting. To learn more, check out Comprehensive Watercolor. The links to purchase are in the description below. Choosing the right watercolor supplies can feel overwhelming, but the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide has you covered. Packed with recommendations, tips, and insights, this guide helps you navigate the art supply aisle with confidence, so you can focus on creating. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.